In finance, we often use simple shortcuts called rules of thumb to help make complex money decisions easier to manage. A rule of thumb is essentially a heuristic, a mental shortcut that provides a practical guide rather than a precise scientific formula. A classic example is the 50-30-20 rule, which suggests splitting your income into needs, wants, and savings goals. These rules help keep you on track by providing a baseline. They are great starting points for building your financial foundation. While rules are helpful, your specific life situation might require a more customized approach than a general rule suggests. Rules like the rule of 72 help estimate how long it takes for your money to double based on your rate of return. Remember that a rule is just a guide. It is a tool for your pocket, not a strict law for your finances. Use these rules to get started, then refine your strategy as you learn more. Thanks for watching and stay financially curious.